All right, guys, so here we are on our Google Classroom. I just wanted to go over a quick review of what you need to do for writing today. I apologize, I had something come up that I need to take care of quickly this afternoon, so I'm glad we could do this during most of our reading groups. I just did not have the blue group today. So in your writing section, if you click your writing section, we have, the one at the very tippy top. Let me go back here. Is your comparison template for your writing. Now this is what I suggest. I suggest starting with this, and then later I can show you how to adjust it. All right. So if I were to use this document here and click in it, and I had some of you already start, it looks great. There are some tips and hints, but there's not tips and hints on every page. So unfortunately I want to do that with you. So whatever your species that you are comparing is, you need a title. There are a couple options for titles. You can choose whatever option you want, but you need to make sure that it represents what you're doing for your book. So a title that I did with a few of the reading groups today, not all of them, is all about, let's just do comparing mammoths and elephants. Now, you're not going to do mammoths and elephants. If you didn't do mammoth and elephants, you would do saber-toothed cats and tigers, okay? And then this is only one option. You don't have to use that title. Please create your own. The other thing that you need to have up in this top box is your name, your first and last name. And then the next thing that you do is you get to search for a photo. We always love doing that, don't we? I feel like I had that pulled up. I must have accidentally got rid of it. Sorry. So I would just type in, okay, so you need a photo of each of them. So what Mrs. Horning showed the class is typing in elephant versus mammoth, or you can just type in elephants, find a photo, and mammoth, find a photo. Ooh, I kind of like this one. So remember, you right click, you copy the image, and then you have to come back here. You have to right click. Now don't right click in this box. You see how it's blue? You don't want that blue. Right click down here and click paste. And then pull from the corners to make your image bigger. Now, Mrs. Horning, can I have more than one picture? Yes, you can. Absolutely. Fill the page up. Make it your own. This is the very bare minimum of what Mrs. Horning is expecting you to do. Okay? That's it for that page. Now you just saw I did that in 2 minutes and 56 seconds. I would assume it would take you double, so let's say 5 or 6 minutes for you. All right? The other thing that you have to do today is the table of contents. And apparently I have this opened somewhere else because my little thing is right there. So this is what you need for the table of contents. The introduction is your fun facts page. All right? And then in your packet, the first one we worked on was habitat. So as you are looking at your habitat, please make sure you're looking at the bottom of the screen where I am. We have this page here that helps us. It says habitat at the top, and then it actually says heading. So what did you write for your heading right here for habitat? Was it home? Was it where your animal lives? So I'm going to do where they live. And please make sure that you capitalize each word, where they live. And then you're going to do your next one. So if I turn my page one more, I get into my animal's body. But you have to flip until you see the heading. Now Mrs. Horning's is blank. Yours should not be blank. What is your heading here? Is it just body again? Or is it what? Elephants and mammoths look like. Remember to capitalize. Or elephants and mammoths bodies, whatever you put. And last but not least, you flip a couple more pages and we get to our food and predators. And as we're looking at our food and predators, whatever you decided to put for your heading right here is what you type in that space. And I'm going to choose dinner time. All right, and guess what? This video is 4 minutes and 52 seconds, and I am done with my assignment for today. So if it took you double or triple what I did, that would be, about 10, 15 minutes. Okay, guys? So that's a short assignment. You definitely are going to be able to do that. That's it for today, and then we're going to pick up later tomorrow. Now, again, if you use this template, I'm really highly encouraging it, and then I can show you how to adjust your font and change your colors and the background and stuff later. Okay? Hopefully that's helpful. Good luck today, and I will see you bright and early in the morning tomorrow. Thank you.